Alright, here is a short video explaining how to determine the molarity of a solution. And sometimes in the IB syllabus you might even come across another term, a similar term called as concentration. So let's call this as a molarity, represented by, hang on a second, so molarity represented by M equals number of moles of solute over volume of solution in dm cube. And this is really important. Your volume should be in decimeter cubed or liters. It's one and the same. 1 liter equals to 1 decimeter cube. So let me make that note here. 1 liter and 1 decimeter cube, they're the same thing basically. Alright, so let's see what we got here in the problem. What is the molarity of a solution prepared by dissolving 10 grams of HCl? So the first thing that we got to do is we have to convert 10 gram to mole. So how do we do that? We divide 10 grams by the molar mass of HCl. So that's about 36.51 gram per mole, which would be about 0.27 mole. So that is the number of moles of our solute HCl, which is this is our N, and we need to calculate the volume of the solution. It says 250 milliliters, but here in the formula we have it as in dm cubes, so we need to convert 250 milliliters by 1,000 to get it in dm cube. So that would be about 0.25 dm cubed. So if I plug in the number of moles value 0.27 and the volume 0.25 in the formula, so I should get that would be, my molarity would be equal to 0.27 mole divided by 0.25 dm cubed. So that would be approximately 1 mole per dm cube. Well, you can use a calculator and come up with the actual value. I'm approximately rounding off this value. So every time you want to calculate molarity, or sometimes they might ask you this as concentration in the IB, so you divide the number of moles N by volume of solution in dm cubed. And do not forget, this is very important, if you're given the volume of solution in milliliter or cubic centimeters, you have to convert this to dm cube or liter by dividing with 1000, because 1000 milliliter make a liter. So here is a small mnemonic aid for you to remember this formula. So there are 3 things here, or 4 things. Let's say molarity is M, so let's say mermaids. So M is molarity, mermaids. N, number of moles, neat. So the N represents number of moles, and V, the volume, let's say vegetarian. Let me write it here. Mermaids need vegetarian diet. Well, if you don't like this mnemonic aid, you can create your own mnemonic aid. So M stands for molarity, number of moles, V for volume, and D, dm cubed. Mermaids need a vegetarian diet. I'm not sure about that. And that completes the video on molarity.